Hey everyone! Welcome to the Money Mentor Hub. Have you ever wondered if it's possible to become wealthy starting from zero? Today, we're diving into life-changing steps that can transform your financial future. Stick around because I'll share actionable steps that you can start implementing today. Ready to change your life? Let's get started. The journey to wealth starts with your mindset. You need to believe that you can achieve financial success. Start thinking like a millionaire. Transform your thoughts from "I can't" to "I will." Remember, wealth starts in the mind before it manifests in your bank account. Wealth begins with understanding the numbers. Think about the ways you can make significant money. For instance, selling a product online to a wide audience can quickly add up. The internet makes reaching a large audience easier than ever before. Relying on a single paycheck is risky. Diversify your income sources. Consider side hustles, investments, or starting a small business. The wealthy often have multiple streams of income. Explore options that align with your skills and interests. Chapter 4. Learn high-income skills. Invest in yourself by learning skills that can earn you substantial income each month. Think about coding, copywriting, or digital marketing. These skills are in high demand and can dramatically increase your earning potential. Chapter 5. Network with the right people. Surround yourself with successful, like-minded individuals. Join online communities, attend seminars, and connect with mentors. Networking can open doors to opportunities you never imagined. Chapter 6. Invest wisely. Don't just save, invest. Put your money to work by investing in stocks, real estate, or mutual funds. Diversify your investments to minimize risk. Start small and grow your portfolio over time. Chapter 7. Hang out with the right people. The people you surround yourself with can influence your financial success. Find a mentor, join communities, and connect with those who inspire and motivate you. The right network can open doors and provide valuable opportunities. Right network build connections. Chapter 8. Avoid debt. Debt can be a major obstacle on your path to wealth. Avoid borrowing money unless absolutely necessary. Focus on saving and investing rather than accumulating liabilities. Avoid debt. Stay financially free. Bonus tip: supercharge your growth. As promised, here's the bonus tip. Consider automating your investments. Platforms like robo-advisors can optimize your portfolio, ensuring your money grows even while you sleep. This means less stress and more growth. Bonus tip: automate your investments. And there you have it, proven secrets to unlock your path to wealth. Start applying these strategies today and watch your financial future transform. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more tips, and share it with anyone who could benefit. Let's build a future of financial freedom together. Subscribe, like, comment, share.